reading Counting is for the Birds, written by Frank Mazzola Jr. The feeder is still. It hangs overhead. It's morning and time for the birds to be fed. This new day begins with fog all around, and be still, because there are birds to be found. 0. They're well hidden below. A cat lies in wait. That cat is greedy, his appetite great. He sees there are 0 birds he can catch, no birds at the feeder for him to snatch. 1 and 2. Then one chickadee grabs on with its feet, and a second floats in, her tiny wings beat. Both birds move quickly, so keep them in view, count them together, and you will find 2. 3 and 4. 3 is a titmouse, and 4 is her mate. These birds are feeding at a rapid rate. These little creatures will flee to the trees. Once they have landed, they peck at the seeds. 5 and 6. Bird 5 clutches on and pecks with his beak. Number 6 arrives and takes a quick peek. These woodpeckers eat bugs they find in wood. They also eat seeds, which taste really good. Oh man, that bird feeder is filling up. 7 and 8. Birds 7 and 8 drop in from up high. Goldfinch's feathers help color the sky. The number of birds grows larger so fast, the cat still watches the birds that fly past. 9 and 10. 9 is a sparrow who dives in with speed. The 10th comes along and follows her lead. 10 birds are feeding with plenty to share, eating together, enjoying the fare. 11 and 12. 11 is red. He feeds on the ground. Number 12 swoops in, not making a sound. Crouching in silence, the cat keeps his stare while cardinals feed in front of his lair. 13 and 14. A famished duo is next to arrive. 13 and 14. These finches will thrive. 14 birds feasting, all eating their fill. Each bird is hungry and cracks seeds with skill. 15 and 16. Bird 15 flies by. His pal sweeps in too. These buntings are colored indigo blue. 16 birds eating and looking about, devouring seeds until they run out. 17 and 18. 17 and 18 join this array. These 2 nuthatches will soon fly away. For now, they relax and wait for the chance to feed the seeds they eye with a glance. 19. The feeder twists when a blue jay flies in. Number 19 enjoys this swift side spin. He seems imposing because of his size. The others react with utter surprise. 20. The second blue jay, the final bird here, is looking around and showing no fear. Our count is 20. And it is time for the feast. 20 is plenty for this sneaky beast. Launching himself with his prey in his sight, the cat tries to catch the birds in mid-flight, But something goes wrong, and a gray streak lands here, scaring his quarry that used to be near. He's by. That one selfish squirrel spoiled that cat's fun. And as you can see, his plan is now done. The cat feels sad because he missed a treat. 20 birds are now feeding down the street. The end.